looking at some lawnmowers in my local B&Q. So this one is a Bosch Universal Rotec 3650. We've got another Bosch Rotec 3212. This is a free Bosch 320ER. Another Bosch, but this one is a Rotec 370ER. Got a Flymo Glider Compact 330AX. A Flymo Easy Glide 300V. Just like my Flymo actually, I bought 3 years ago here. A Flymo Turbolator 270 and a Hovervac 270. This one is a McAllister. There's some petrol ones here. What make and brands they are. Briggs and Stratton, McAllister. And over there, I think, is a Truro 140 series. This one's also a Montfield SP185 from Briggs and Stratton. This is the cordless range here. Another McAllister, a Bosch City Mower 18, an 18 volt lithium-ion battery. This one is a Easy Rotec 36550, 36 volt, with a brushless motors as well. An Bayou, whatever it's called. 2 18 volt lithium-ion batteries. Just like the packaging on this one here. And last but not least, we've got the Landlord robotic range here. That's pretty cool. Nearly a grand. That one's 673, 523, 373. And then we got finally another. We end with a McAllister cordless. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again very soon.